I'll be right at the end. What up guys, so we out here in Glendora. There's literally over 35 cars out here, all mixed, Velosters, 350s, you name it, we're all out here. This is crazy, man, it's about to go off. You guys seen little clips already, but yeah, I'm gonna try to take you guys up there and show you as much as I can. But yeah, this is wild guys. Alright, we're heading out. What's up guys? So I just got home from the cruise. I showed you guys all the little clips right now that I took. I didn't vlog too much because unfortunately I had a little accident on the way up the GMR. I messed up one of my rims and I popped and I blew out the tire, so I had to change it. Yeah, and that kind of put me in a kind of mood. But I want to give a big shout out to Broke Boy Genesis. Show you guys right here. He hooked me up with a spare tire so I can make the rest of the cruise, and then down to where I got a tire and a rim from Liz from United Velosters. I'll put both their links down below. Go and give them a big thank you guys on my part. I already thanked them, of course. Thank you guys for everything. If it wasn't for you guys, I'd probably be still stuck up there on the GMR. So I also want to thank Cody for changing my tire, guys. Cody and a couple of the other guys just jumped right on it. I was over here diddle-daddling looking for stuff. Next thing I know, these guys are already putting the jack in, lifting it up, and changing the tire for me. I truly appreciate you guys. It's crazy how much people that you really don't know too well, or that you thought were strangers at one point, become so close to you and almost like family and treat you as family. And that is why I love that car club, United Velosters. That's why I loved that I used to be part of it, and I still love that when I hang out with you guys still treat me like family. And can't thank you guys enough. Can't thank everyone that went on the trip. It was an awesome trip, guys. Let me show you guys the tire. Come here. And then here's the rim and the tire that Liz let me borrow. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know I didn't vlog too much, but like I said, kind of got a little bit down. But yeah, more videos coming soon guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.